Baton Rouge, Louisiana. A gray-haired man in a burgundy shirt is seen peering inside someone's car. He then walks up to the doorbell and tries to open the door. Let's see what happens.
Can I help you? Huh?
The man was later detained by police, but unfortunately, you can't be arrested for wiggling someone's doorknob.
Hide your Ring camera. Turn your Ring cam into a hidden camera with Cam Masker. Compatible with Ring Indoor Cam, Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery, and Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam. Cam Masker hides your Ring camera without interfering with its various functions. Order yours today at cammasker.com. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam.